This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Rosie Williamson. Welcome to the townhome you've been dreaming of, conveniently located in the most desirable gated AVEA Pointe community. This newer built by Mattamy Homes Venice floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2,606 square feet, a beautiful townhome nestled on a private corner home site with only one direct neighbor and a large private yard that sets this townhome apart from the rest. This open floor plan features an abundant number of windows that gives extra natural light and the feeling of a single-family home with views of the trees. The kitchen has modern white staggered height cabinets, quartz countertops, whirlpool stainless appliances, and a large island as the centerpiece that overlooks the dining and great room, making this home perfect for entertaining. On the first floor, there is a guest room, full bath, and great room with sliding glass doors to the private screened brick paved lanai. On the second floor, you have an enormous bonus/loft area that is centered between 3 bedrooms, all with walk-in closets. The primary bedroom is very spacious, features tray ceiling and a luxury bathroom with a picturesque window and a chandelier above the soaking tub, dual vanities, and a large frameless glass enclosed shower. As a bonus, there is a longer driveway and a 2-car garage with epoxy flooring, ceiling storage racks, and a door that